All right, folks, Anthony Speciale here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Going to be talking about the Nasdaq 100 futures this morning, very specifically the opening bell. And the reason we're going to talk about the opening bell is because, well, it set the stage for this incredible sell-off with this massive volume climax. That's right, guys. Volume is the only thing that will precede what price action is likely to do. Now, you have to understand the relationship between the two, but in doing that, you can confidently look and go, hey, something's happening here. I've lost all my momentum, and the market went on to do what? Absolutely take a bloodbath. So let's break this down. We're going to talk about all the aspects. Of course, right here, we are looking at our ultra high volume radar dot on the 9:30 open candle of the US market. We're very specifically looking right here at this Hawkeye wide bar. Okay, you can see it highlighted there in magenta. I'm going to do something very quickly. I'm going to go to the high of this candle, 540.75, and draw a line. And the reason I'm going to draw a line there is I want you to notice how price tested the high of that candle over and over and over again. The creation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before the market took an absolute dump. Okay? Now, if you're an intraday trader, you're probably looking at a 4-hour or 6-hour, a 4-hour or 60-minute chart to kind of gain some direction and perspective, okay? You're probably then dialing into either a 30-minute or a 15-minute chart. And then from there, you're probably dialing into, I don't know, I would say a 5, a 3, a 2, maybe a 1-minute chart, depending on how aggressive you trade. I always reference the 15-minute time frame, and the reason I do that is because there's a better than not chance that if the 15-minute time frame tells me something, the 3 or 5 minutes likely to, at least to some degree, respect it. Well, as you can see here on the 15-minute candle, we had this volume climax occur right at the opening bell, respected the high of that candle several times, never settled above it, and ultimately went on to sell off below it. So, I mean, guys, listen, I don't want to be over dramatic here, but what are we looking at? I mean, we're looking at over 2,000 ticks from this volume climax. So the question I'm going to ask you is, do you have a full understanding of the relationship between volume and price action? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Maybe you have some degree, but not a full understanding of how that relationship transpires. And I lean on that very specifically because this will be the only thing that you can see in the market that will precede what price is likely to do next. The market moves on intention, okay? There has to be aggressive intention by either the buyers or the sellers. Without that, the market won't move. It'll just go sideways. As you can see, there was aggressive intention by the buyers with zero follow-through. What does that mean? It means that there's a better than not chance that we're going to fall off. And that's exactly what happened. So if this type of information interests you and you find it valuable, I'd like you to join me inside of a training webinar. I'm going to put a link directly below this video, okay? Join me in the training webinar. We're going to look at multiple asset classes on multiple time frames, dive into this concept. From there, I'd like to then install the Hawkeye volume on your trading platform, which is compatible with TradeStation, TradingView, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader. Okay? Nice and easy to download. We get it all populated up on your charts. Okay? Next step is to give you access to something we call the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series, so that at your own pace, you can continue educating yourself on the relationship that transpires between volume and price action. Okay? Because until you understand how this happens, until you understand what it means, until you understand how you could apply it to your own trading, whether you're a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, a position trader, that's all irrelevant. You may be trading stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, options. You still must understand intention in the market, because intention drives direction. So click that link below this video. Join me inside the training webinar. I'll see you there. We're going to dive deep into this concept. We'll get the indicators loaded up on your charting platform, and we'll grant you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series. Myself and my team will be here to support you through the entire journey. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.